Hi, Chad. Welcome to the stream. I forgot what button it was. Oops. How are y'all doing today? It is February 8th of 2026, and I have not streamed in a really, really long time. Well, I guess we did the Pablo stream, but beyond that, I haven't streamed in quite a long time. We're drinking a beer today, chat. We're drinking a beer today, chat. So I ran a race this morning, and I'm really proud of my time. My goal for this year was to run a sub 20-minute 5K, and I fucking did it today. I ran 19:56, so I just squeaked under 20 minutes, but goddamn, 20 minutes is pretty fast there. Oh shoot, I haven't logged into Streamlabs. I think that was a resub from DDELSP at tier 3 for 62 months, if I'm correct. Come on, load. Yes, DDELSP, thank you for your continued support. It's great to see you again. I hope you're doing well. But yeah, so the crazy part about this race is I wasn't even planning on running it at all. Like 48 hours ago, I didn't know I was going to run a race. I was at the climbing gym, and I recognized one of my running friends there. And she was like, hey, we have an extra bib for this race on Sunday, and we really need somebody fast. so that we can beat the other running club team in Ann Arbor. And I was like, I'm fast-ish. I could do that. I think I'm free on Sunday. And so, or was that on Friday? Might have been Friday. Yeah, it was Friday. I was like, yeah, I can run a race. And it turns out that it was my other friend who's injured had purchased a spot in the race, and then obviously couldn't do it because they're injured. So I was like, yeah, I'll do that. And let me tell you, it was it was really cold and dry outside, so I'm gonna have a little bit of a cough, but it's just because I sucked a bunch of dry air, and yeah, sucked a bunch of dry air. But anyway, let me pour the rest of my beer now that the foam has subsided. And not the dregs on the bottom. Yep, okay, save that part. Cool. Ayo, cheers, chat. I'm sorry I haven't streamed in a while. I'm gonna be like brutally honest in that I've been a little bit depressed, and it's hard to get the motivation to do much of anything. So yeah, that's how the shit goes, I guess. You know, the winter's always the tough times. But anyway, let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into things. Looks like Major Tanya and Mr. Swats were here before the stream started. Hello. DDELSP was first with a boop. How you doing? Major Tanya's still here. Granger, good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Marsha, hello. With the not... Wait, where did your mop emotes go? What the heck? Where's your mop emotes? Mr. Swats is still here. Hello. TB Schneider, good to see you again. Welcome back. Particularly Pythonic, good to see you as well. A Wild Anthony appeared. It's true. That's me. Granger says I forgot my work laptop password. I had this problem as well because, well, I guess that's another reason why I haven't streamed is I have I have a part-time contracting job right now. And it's not that I need the money. It's mostly that I was just bored and needed something to like be distracting, and thought it was maybe kind of going to be a fun challenge. So anyway, I'm working like 20 hours a week on a thing. And their password requirements are absurd. Like all of like the only passwords that I remember are like host passwords and my password manager. And so all of them are passphrases. They're essentially, you know, a bunch of words strung together. But apparently that wasn't enough. They needed to have a special character and a number and a capital and all this other fucking bullshit. I'm like, my password is way more secure than your minimum requirements, but you know, you gotta tick a box somewhere, so it is what it is. It is what it is. Oramus, hello. Good to see you again. La Fin du Monde is perfect. I fucking love this beer. I haven't had it in a while, actually. I have not had it in a while. And then I saw it on, I was at a bar and they had, it was on their menu, but they were out of stock. And I was like, fuck. But then I found it at the grocery store, so. Yeah. Mr. Swat says, awesome, you can Slack for the rest of the year now. Yeah, I mean, this was my like goal for the year, was to do a sub 25K. And the fact that I did it on this race is kind of nuts, because this race was a little bit hilly for, it wasn't a flat 5K. It was like 100 feet of elevation, so it's pretty flat. But there was a hill right at the end, which was kind of annoying. And it was cold. It was really cold. It's like 5 Fahrenheit at the start, which is like negative 16 Celsius, negative 15 Celsius. Up by 1. Close enough. Mental maths. It was pretty cold. Lord Ira, hello. Good to see you again. Easy Lights also here. Long time no see. I know. Yeah. Is what it is. I mean, I don't know. I'm feeling all right now, but I think I'm riding the high of my fucking race, so it is yeah, we'll see. Do I not reuse passwords? I password manager everything except for host passwords, and then I don't reuse them. Granger says, I survived malignant catatonic PMC, and the cure wipes your memory. What does that mean? Catatonia. What is this? Oh. Well then, I'm glad you made it out. Oh, okay. Well, I learned a thing. Correct Hans battery stable? Yeah, exactly. Password game in real life? Basically, except it's stupid work passwords. Wait, why is, oh my god, the MOTD is still from New Year's. NG Tontai, welcome back. Back on your Django shit again. Okay, so I have 3 goals for this stream. We are going to get this thing building, which I don't think I have cloned at all. Except it's here. Dead Snakes, Pi27 Focal. We're gonna get Python 2.7 building. I know. Why are we building Python 2.7 in Year of the Lord 2026? Well, someone's paying me to do it, so someone's paying me to do it, so you know, they're paying. We're also going to be building Python 3.11, and we're going to be setting up a thing that notifies me. Whoa, Kexit.com! What the fuck? Who are you? Where'd the lesbian go? Is it actually Kexit.com? It is, because I've seen your website. Hi, I'm Kexit. We'll get through this together, okay? Wait. We will? All of my anxiety is solved. But welcome back, Kexit. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. He does says my former company is paying you to do Python 2.7. I don't know that it's your former company, but someone is. And I'm not allowed to say accordingly. Well, the contract's a little ambiguous. What was the wording? Somebody asked and I said the wording somewhere. Oh, yeah. Contractor may receive non-public information related to company's systems, and contractor shall not disclose confidential information except as authorized by, which I think tells me that I can't really say who it is. But yeah. I'm sorry, just Kexit. Hey, there you go. Almost did the 6-7 thing. What? No. I know it's not really my former company. Yeah. Okay, so I don't really remember how to build these from source anymore. I'm pretty sure I need to do this, and then I need to do this, and then I need to do this, and then I need to make a changelog entry. DCH need to make a changelog entry. Plus focal 1. Force distribution focal. Oh, I've still got it, baby. I've still got it. Why do I remember that? I don't know. It's been like fucking years since I've done that. Keksa says, I realized that you could abuse the 7TV emote thing to provide auto-completion for bot commands. Oh, that's kind of clever. It reminds me of a thing that I used to do for fucking, what's that shitty database engine? Oracle DB? Oracle DB. Wow, I already have a Z directory. Oracle DB, I used to do like, I used to do this and then use RL wrap. How can I RL wrap cat maybe? And then you can tab complete. Oh, does RL wrap cat not work? Maybe you can do this. What the fuck? There's something for this. Tab completion. How does it work? Anyway, something similar to this I used to use so that I could actually have some reasonable amount of tab complete when dealing with Oracle DB, which was what the school paid for, I guess. And so that was the terrible database engine that we were forced to use. I don't remember exactly how it worked though, but it was something like that. Actually, how can I... Because like this clearly didn't actually run the RL wrap stuff because Python took over from the readline perspective there. What can I... Terrible database engine. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Oracle. It also like didn't have auto increment primary keys and like something else. Oh, I think it's like some null constraint thing, but terrible database engine. You have any idea how little that narrows it down? I mean, it wasn't MySQL and it wasn't Postgres. Like that's basically all you had to know. Yeah, and it was enterprisey as shit. Okay, anyway. Finish change log for... I'm pretty sure this build's gonna fail. I skipped the... Oop. Just do -a-m. I skipped the setup of this repo, but basically I just ran gbp import dsc and then a bunch of shit, which I couldn't remember the command for. So I was like, oh, I'm pretty sure I did a video on this. And yeah, sure enough, episode 444 is this command right here. Yeah, so thank you, past me, for documenting. Well, I didn't document it. I made the video. I guess I documented in the video and then because it was transcribed for me. But yeah. Anyway, that's probably SQL Server. No, it wasn't SQL Server because SQL Server actually has like a pretty good thing. What's GBP already? Hey, there you go. There's the video. There's the video for you. Okay, but I think I can just run this. It seems like it's working. But this is gonna take hella forever, which is sort of fine. Great British Pound, yeah, exactly. Yeah, let's make sure this actually starts, because otherwise the dependencies are fucked up. Installed, that seems like the wrong library. But maybe it's fine. Okay, the Debian stuff is started. Configure is started. Let's wait for configure to finish And then I'll try and do 311. TL, that numbers have a hex method? Do they really? This is going to need parentheses, right? Yeah. Okay. That's kicked off. What do you mean they have a hex method? Do I need new enough Python? It's just floats? Why does that seem not useful at all? Why does this seem like the most fucking useless output ever? What is this supposed to be? What? Why is float not listed? Oh, because they changed it. Oh, they changed this page! Oh, this page is not as useful as it was before. Float. Float. Float.hex. Return a representation of a floating point number as a hexadecimal string. For finite floating point numbers, this representation will always include a leading OX and a trailing P and exponent. That's a weird one. It's a real weird one. What the heck? That makes less sense than if it were just for int, right? I feel like with int it sort of makes sense, but in int you're just gonna do like 4x f string 0x, and then I don't know. Oh, that's not what I want. What the fuck? What's the? There we go. There we go. You're just gonna do this, obviously. Oh, or just hex. True. True. Forgot about that. Wait, it's Octothorpe X? Does this do... Oh. What the fuck? Anyway, I'm not gonna care about that. So we also have to build Python 3.11 for vocal. It's running the tests already. Yay. Have any of them failed? No. That's good. That is a great sign. It's a good sign. We're also going to build ooh. We're also going to build Python 3.11 for vocal. Those are the two versions that they want. I think I can get it from this repo. But I don't remember how this works. I think if I... What did this commit do? What did this commit do? We don't need the GitHub actions. We do need... I guess I should name only. Still waiting for the day you'll fix your microphone config? I thought... Fucking A. Alright, we're gonna fuck with it. This is gonna make everything terrible. Is it better now? Now I'm really fucking quiet. Now I gotta be loud. No, I'll just fuck with the filters later. Now I'm really quiet. Okay, God damn it. I still clip when I'm too loud. That's always gonna happen, I think. I think there's just like not... I'm not good at not being too much, you know. Alex Dead, it said, what version of OpenSSL are we building with? Whatever the system is. My Ferryswin compressors exist. I know. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Something like the current meta on YouTube is to be slightly less done up so that it feels more authentic or something. What the fuck do I need to do? Add some noise then? No, that doesn't feel right either. Okay, I think I need to reset to before this commit. And then I need to delete all the other ones. We don't need this at all. I think I don't need these either. Jimmy Noble. And then this should be the same. Pizza sheet. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Not a meta GBP repo. Missing changelog / nightly. Not a meta GBP repo. Expected a pi blah 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 der. Fuck. I forgot how needy those other scripts are. Damn it. Only focals, oh god. Alright. Can I run help now? Oh my god, I can. Wow. Is this gonna work? Is it gonna work? It didn't use the reference clone. It's gonna take forever. Oh wow, it's building. Did the TIS pass? How many of those are gonna be a problem? I don't think this one failed. It just did the thing where it looks like it failed. Yeah, that's not the failure site. That one makes sense. So let's disable that test. Although it continued without the problem. Test POSIX failed. Well, we'll play with that one too. This one's probably because of Docker. Oh, and I remember this one. This is the fucking what is it called? What is that library? libexpat1 thing. This one we'll double check, but I'm pretty sure I remember disabling this test in Python 3 land, so should be fine. We'll let that keep going. We will let that one keep it going. Orma says mini DOM. Yeah, there's Python has a XML library that depends on expat1, and There was like a fix to expat 1 which broke one of Python's tests, and then Python like adjusted it in like a security patch, and then like there's some like fiddly history behind it. But I will, because I am on the hook for security for this distribution, I'm gonna double check that and make sure it's actually correct. But yeah. Gavin, thank you for the resub at 66 months. Ayo. Good to see you again. Thank you for the tier 3. Got to be specific there. Kevin, it's good to see you. I hope you're doing well. We're beering. I hope you join. Oh, fucking shut up. Ignore my face. There we go. There we go. So we're beering. Yes, I verbed. Hell yeah. Point Dexter, welcome to the stream, says new here. Love have a bit of context. Yeah, the MOTD gives a little bit of context, but basically I maintain this thing called Dead Snakes. It it builds Python distributions for Ubuntu distributions, Python versions for Ubuntu distributions, forward ports, back ports, and I am currently building some for a person who's going to pay me some money to do it for them. And I'm also going to be building some infrastructure so that I don't forget to do it. Yeah. But welcome to the stream. Billion, welcome to the stream. How's it going? Woosa's also here. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. This seems like it sort of worked. But I could have sworn. What did I do here? What did I? That's this. What the fuck? What did I do here? Get log origin main. One line first parent. I'm missing these 2 commits. What did this do? Handle updating end of life Pythons. Oh. Yeah. Okay, that'll be fine. That'll be fine. Get pull FF only. Yeah, Kexit name is back. It's true. It's true. Ah, we did do something here, but what did we do here? What did I do here? We remove the Docker file, we remove the REMD, and we update the tools. Oh, that's maybe going to be a problem. This maybe going to be a problem. Hopefully not. Then we updated the test. But we're not building 3.9, so I think it'll actually be fine. I think it'll actually be fine. Famous last words. Why is this running tests again? Also, why did this load websites this time? It's kind of funky. Also, why is the output so fucked up? What happened here? I'm guessing the curses test fucked it up, but that's fine. Anthonic Python? Yeah. Chad, did I tell you about my my little brainworm that's stuck in my head? I think we should stop referring to it as agentic AI and instead refer to it as eugentic AI. Anyway, I can't get that out of my head. So now it's all in all of your heads too. Ooh, is this Kevin's beer? Is this Kevin's beer? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Stigburger something. Stigburgers. It's got a seagull on it. Do not Google eugenetic AI. Wait, is it already a thing? Well, no, it just autocorrects to agentic. God damn it. Oh, I got captured. Hold please. I'm currently putting myself on a government list. Is that a bridge? This is probably actually a bridge, but does Google know it's a bridge? Apparently not. Wait, it still digimemed me. Wait, there's actually... No. 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 There's somebody who... No, this has to be a typo. There's no way. There's no way. This article says that this guy made a thing called eugenetic AI. There's no fucking way. There's no way. There's no way. Okay, I don't want to go down this rabbit hole. I don't want to go down this rabbit hole. Wait, there's a domain name. Oh my fucking god, this is real. Oh my god. No way. What the fuck? Why is my terrible joke? Why is my terrible joke real? Wouldn't it be eugenetic AI? Yeah. Oh no, I guess it'd be eugenic. Well, yeah, probably. Still. Oh yeah, you got automated. Sorry, Kevin. Anyway, 4 million in seed. Knowledge. Hello. How's it going? Okay. All right. Oh, what the fuck? I think the terminal output here is just fucked. Wait, why did 4 tests fail this time? 5? Why are more tests failing this time than the first time? I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know, man. Is this gonna work? Oh, what does this do? Oh, that's done already. Why is there a separate changelog command? Oh, I guess I have to manually make one? See, Python's test suite is a fucking mess, yeah. Especially in 2.7. And the only reason it's running it is for PGO. And it was before there was fast PGO. So, yeah. Not materialized. I will run materialize then. Bang AGI, oh no. Air quality is actually not bad today. Despite it being fucking cold. Real fucking cold. That'd be cool to have an emote for each command. Yeah. Welcome up, burp. How's it going, Patrick OMG? Good to see you again. Yeah, so that's going. This is going. In theory, I don't really know what's going on here. The terminal output's fucked probably because of curses. Cursed by curses. Oh, I guess this is probably running the full test suite and not just the... Let's skip some of these ones. I don't fucking know, man. To find the necessary bits, look and set it up high. Yeah. Okay, so the last part of this, well, let me kick this off. I think it should work. If this one starts, I'm not even going to bother finishing it. I'm just going to say it's good. Because I don't actually have to build these today because they haven't paid me yet. Yeah, my mic volume is low because Kegs had told me to fuck with it, and so I fucked with it, and then now it's quiet. Okay, I'll just talk into it. I'll just be I feel like I should get a new mic setup just because. Yeah. I mean, I like my microphone. I think it's mostly my audio interface, and probably need a preamp, and then I'm like sort of maxing out the gain on the audio interface. I have the SSL 2 Plus audio interface, which is, it's been nice. It's been great, but I think I need a preamp in there somewhere, and then I can play around with low filters or whatever the fuck. I don't know. Morningstar option 89 says, "Hey Anthony, what are you coding right now?" I am oh, I needed to actually build. Yes. We are building Python 3.11 and Python 2.7 for Ubuntu Focal. What the fuck is going on here? Okay, GL. No idea what's going on there. What a mess. Go away. I know, 2.7, I know. But yeah, I'm being paid to build these for old distributions, and so I am setting up a little bit of infrastructure for them. The last part about this is a notifier doodad. Okay. It's running the test again. Why? Okay, maybe that'll why let it die already? They're paying me good money to do it, so I kind of don't care. I mean, I care a little bit because it's a little bit annoying, but I think I'm not gonna have to do that much work for it. Repositories. Oh, we needed to push this one too. New repository. Dead snakes. Local Pi 311 and then make it private. And then create. I need origin. Get branch. Get push origin head. Yeah, surely nothing gonna go wrong here. Cool. Are there devs out there refusing to move on to Python 3? Yeah. Yes, there are. There are lots. There are lots and lots of them. Major Tanya says, "I'm so happy for you that someone saw those. Reach out and pay me if you want a Dead Snakes feature." No, it's all over Dead Snakes and actually decided to do it. Almost everyone instead sends me these angry emails that are like, man, what is the most recent one I got? No, not that one. That one was actually kind of okay. Send messages in your spam match the search. What? No, they don't. Oh, this is 1 to 50 if many. I don't know. I got one the other day that was like, "You fucking piece of shit. You broke our production builds. How dare you delete things? Like, I demand you to put it back." And I'm like, Who fucking asked, buddy? Get wrecked, nerd. Fuck you, pay me. Like I have no sympathy. Like I put so much fucking work into making this thing work that like the least someone could do is like recognize the value that I'm putting out and like pay me, throw me a few bucks for putting in the work. But alas, I'm gonna Control-C this one because I'm like 99.9% certain it'll succeed. This one I'm less confident in. But I also don't know how to see the output anymore, so that's gonna be a fun one. But yeah. The output looks like some bad handled ANSI garbage, missing some like escape sequence. Yeah, probably. I'll never be baffled by the entitlement of some people. Dude, some people, yeah. I think the expectation is that open source is, free lunch and they get free maintenance and free warranty and free everything, and it's not how that fucking shit works, baby. Okay, so the second half of this is I have an SLA for this contract, so I need to respond to updates within a certain amount of time. And so the best way for me to do that is to notify me when things change. Unfortunately, I've made a thing that already does this for Pokemon. And so I am just gonna copy the code for this and change it to instead notify me for Python updates. Fortunately, the SLA is like a fucking week, so like it's not actually gonna matter, but I'd rather be on top of it rather than being behind. So we are going to take this code and modify it. Let's say a big dog contract. No, it's not really. It's a company I had never heard of. Yeah. Touch me on the bottom of it. Hey, we don't have to talk about which direction I prefer there. Is that for Pokemon Go? No, this is for Scarlet Violet. It was originally written for Sword and Shield so that I could so that I would get notified, because I would always miss the Sword and Shield events. And then they would have like guaranteed shiny Pokemon in them, and then I'd be like, fuck, it would have been nice to do that one. Like for instance, don't autoplay. Okay. Oh, it did autoplay. God damn it. Oh, there's 2020 me. Like for instance, do I not have a clip of the one in here? Yeah. So like this Chandelure, the Chandelure was a guaranteed shiny in a max raid den, and my script detected that this was an event that was available by scraping Cerebi. I don't fucking know how to pronounce it. And then I wrote code to automate it, but you can see here that shiny Chandelure. It was the first attempt. Yeah. Is it just dead snakes maintenance, or are you responsible for anything else for this client? I am literally just giving them signed builds. That's all they asked for. So yeah, that's basically it. How much of a cut does GitHub take for sponsorships? They take 5%. How do I notify myself? I'm gonna set up this cron, the same cron here, and then I use SES. So it's not exactly free, but it's like a few pennies every time it sends an email. So, kind of troll question: what if Jericho paid you for fixing his code? I don't think his code is fixable. Yeah. Okay, so we're basically just gonna fork this repo and fuck around with the code, and we should be good to go. I have so much junk here. Shiny Pokemon scraper. Dead snakes notifier. We're not gonna bother. We don't need this shit. This is probably still fine. Actually, this still says this, so we gotta change that. Probably in late Terraform. Oh man, if it's in the fucking file names too. Cocaine. Welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Hermes says, I'm trying to fix a GitHub Actions issue where the compiler in CI is throwing out different assembly instructions and my C++ code won't compile, but only on CI. Wait, what? Are the compiler versions different? That'd be the first thing I would try. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, I don't know why I had just a single role in a separate file. That just seems like something to do here. Yeah, that seems fine. Hopefully this string isn't too long. Should I upgrade it from Python 3.10? Yeah, let's do 3.12. Sure, why not? Surely nothing can go wrong there. I love that the automod can I love how the automod modded Dino's. Wait, Major Tanya, how did you get past the automod? What the fuck? Hello? Granger says action teammate. What does that do? Oh yeah, the remote debugging thing that sort of violates their terms of service. I had to install GCC from Homebrew because the version in Ubuntu LTS is too old, but the version I'm using now is the same as the one on my machine. Oh. Homebrew? Homebrew on Linux? I wish I knew what I was looking at. Don't worry about it. just stay for the vibes. That's what most people are here for anyway. I don't even know what I'm doing either. Ikarin, hello. How's it going? Homebrew on Linux. Oh, that was your first mistake. Linux brew is a fucking disaster. Good luck, my guy. Okay, so we got this URL. That's not quite what we want to do. We kind of need two things here. Because part of this is going to be loading. Oh, I'm going to have to do GitHub API shit. Yeah, there's Linux brew. It's kind of a disaster. Baker says, what up, Anthonk? Nice 5K time. Thanks. Yeah. I ran a 1956 this morning. Hell yeah. Particular Pythonic says, is there a quick way to have Pregament CI only act on a specific non-default branch? I don't think so. I think I intentionally didn't do that because it's really easy to abuse. Let me check the docs. I mean, depends which thing you want. Do you want running or do you want updog? Because Updog can do it, but I don't think there's a way to make it run on other branches. Like it'll only run on the mainline branch. You could hack around it by making a long living pull request that just exists. It's kind of the hacky workaround. But it's not really an officially supported way to do it. Even on macOS, Homebrew is special. There's kind of a mess. Homebrew is just kind of a mess. What's up, dog? Not much. How are you? Bozo, hello. How's it going? Usa says hi, just passing by. Yeah. Anyway. So we gotta change how this is gonna work. We gotta find how we're gonna get the list of tags? Maybe we can find it from python.org, because I know GitHub is gonna rate limit the shit out of us. Downloads. Oh, look at this. They finally put this shit on here. I like how 2.7 is still listed. Yeah. Yeah, we can use this page probably. Probably. Bosa says, doing well, have to go to sleep, sounds good. Tomorrow I have to wake up early. Yo, that was me this morning. I'm happy that I'm streaming again. Yeah, I felt in an okay enough mood to stream today. So, yeah. Kevin says, lol, I need help. Jenny needs my help with the dishes. Good luck with the dishes, Kevin. I'll see you around. Have a good one. Thank you for stopping by as always. This shit's still going? My god, it takes forever. Okay, so we know this is not what we want. How does state.text get done? It's just text, but we could probably read it as a JSON. Yeah. Probably as a JSON. This is kind of annoying because what if one updates and the other one doesn't? What if both? This doesn't need to be perfect. It just has to be good enough. Why am I trying so hard to make this perfect? All right. Import the JSON. What was I using IO for? Oh, because you got to do this shit. Right. And this is if we want to debug it locally. Yeah. Okay. Previous, and we can just print out prev. Doesn't have to be pretty, and just has to work. Every time Kevin says he has to do something, I don't know how to interpret it. Can you import brain cells? If only, right? Yeah. Oh, what the fuck? This didn't... Oh, there's a link. We can just look at where this redirects. Oh, that's even easier. X Rowan X, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Appreciate you stopping by. So if I just curl head v grep location. What? Why did I not? Oh, because it's lowercase. Grep dash I location. Yes. Okay. 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 That makes this easy. So urlib.request rec equals urlib.request url open to you, and method equals head. Oh no. Urlib request and then the rec. resp dot url. Why did it follow the redirect? There's a way to make it not do that, right? Oh, because I don't actually want it to do the redirect. I just want it to. Is it in the request itself? How do I make it not follow a redirect? How do I make you not do the redirects? I should just get Stack Overflow, right? Python urlib request do not follow redirect. That's gonna be ambiguous. It's gonna give me fucking garbage. It's gonna give me fucking garbage. No. Ugh. Build opener. Oh, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that at all. That's global. Why are these all HTTPlib2? This is just a copy paste from that other question or that other answer. Why would they do this like this? Literally the whole point of building an opener is that you just call open on it. That's the whole point. That's the whole point. Oh my god. For Python versions, do you need to know if there are updates? 3.11, I'm going to get it from the tags, and 2.7, I'm going to get it from... what is the damn page? Ubuntu source Python 2.7. Oh wow, there's why are these go so far back? Oh, Jamie is 22. Yeah. For 2.7, I'm gonna get it from this page. From this. The opener is probably in the kitchen. I do have an opener in the kitchen. I have several of them. I mean, I can also just not care about loading the page. It's like, whatever, it's a few seconds. Who gives a shit? Who gives a shit? Let's break a point. Let's break a point. My job here is done, yeah. Do you have an opener in the bathroom? Opener? I hardly know her? No module name Boto 3, no! No. Oh, for fuck's sake. I don't actually want the Bodo 3 stuff right now. Oops. Ah. Yeah, cool. Hey man, I need my bathroom wine. Dude, shower beers fucking rock. You need an opener for beer? Yeah, if it has a bottle top. It has a bottle top if it's not twist off. Okay. Okay, that's very easy. So now we have to do the other one. Lemna says, pause shower beers? Bro. Dude, shower beers are so good. Oh my god. Ho 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 ho. Gonna change your fucking life. Ice cold beer in a hot shower. Oh man, there are few things in life better than a shower beer. Holy shit. Oh my god, they're so good. They're so good. I feel like a shower bath might be pretty good too, or a shower bath. A bath beer might be good too. How do you shower beer without getting shampoo in there? I mean, a little bit of water. Like you usually have to drink it like out of a can or out of a bottle. A little bit of water is gonna get in there. That's a little bit unavoidable, but it's so little that it doesn't really change anything. And the God, the experience is so good. But also, like, what are you doing in a shower? Are you like shaking like a dog? Like, how are you getting shampoo everywhere? Okay, we did the 3.11 part. Did this succeed? Is it done? Is it running another time? What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't even know. I don't even know. It's still running, so something's there. Shower beer stream win. Yeah, wrong website. Yeah. Shower's not that large. I guess that's fair, but you probably have a little shelf somewhere, right? Like you probably have like where's my brushy brush? So you got your shower nozzle, right? And it's, you know, it's showering away. Like even if you have like a fucking tub shower, you probably have like a little shelf behind the nozzle where you can put your good old, wow, that is a really shit beer. Now it's a fucking shower oh my god, why am I having such a hard time drawing this? Now it's a fucking shower potion. What the fuck? No, that's still too wide. There we go. There's our shower beer. Like you can probably make this happen. Or like maybe you've got like a little shelf like way the fuck over here or something. Like this would probably also work for I'm not gonna draw another one, but the shelf is already entirely taken with hair products? You're telling me you're gonna prioritize a hair product over a beer? Put the fucking hair products over here. Or like, you know, the bathtub usually has like a little spot that's like flat enough, like right at the corners. That's where you put your hair products. Strength is, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. Potion seller requires strongest shower potion. Yeah. I was given a beer koozie attached to the tile once. Oh my god. Like fucking suction cup like beer koozie would be amazing. Product on the floor like a cave person? Yeah, it's true, it's true. Alright, I gotta remember how to do this. I think I have Yeah, okay, we have untitled.bmp on my desktop so that I can save it as a bitmap and then it gets rid of the transparency. Wait, where did the fucking... Oh, did I just draw off the edge like an idiot? Probably. Probably, so I can put it in my paint channel. Where'd the paint channel go? Yeah. Yeah. Anyway. Anyway. Okay. It is time that I should have finished and filled up my water, so I'm gonna go use the restroom and fill up my water. I'll be right back. I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. What am I glurping? What the hell, chat? A slurp command? What is the slurp command gonna do? Okay, so we gotta do the 271 next. Which is just this page. Oh, just link to the slurp video. It's on the second channel, so it doesn't. Yeah, I was too much of a coward to upload it to the main channel. What is all of this shit? Slurp command will be recorded timestamp. I don't think I'm making another slurp video. I think that was a one and done. We gotta fucking actually load the goddamn page, don't we? No, I didn't want to do that. We don't even need to do this part. We could just do. Oh, fuck. Happy 5. Hello, hello. How's it going? Nice crop top. Yeah. You turn this shirt into a crop top. It's me. It's me and my Microsoft. Me and my crop top chat. Is this what you want, Hep to 5? Is this what you've wanted all along? Me and my crop top? Yeah, who's supposed to win the footballs today? I don't even fucking know. Going into yesterday, I was invited to zero Super Bowl parties, and now I'm invited to like 3 of them. So now I gotta pick one. Which, yeah. Igor says, what was that water bottle that tracks how much you drink through an app? That sounds like some tech bro garbage. Up to 5 says University of Michigan is the best. It's a pretty good one. It's a pretty good one. Did you see the shirt the Big Ten put out last week? No, I did not. Oh. That's an interesting choice. Oh, fuck right off. Interesting. I mean, it's true. But like, do I really want a shirt that has Ohio State in the middle of it? MDS Ubuntu, hello, hello. OnlyFans win? I mean, I registered the name so that you fuckers can't. I hope it's still there. Yeah. There is onlyfans.com/anthonywritescode. New Python versions. New dead snacks. Python versions. Yes. I'm gonna be so fucking lazy with this. I'm not even gonna format it nicely. Oh. Yeah. Indiana University is too good at football now. Yeah, that was pretty crazy, right? That was pretty crazy. When is the shower beer stream gonna be on OnlyFans, right? You should upload your videos to OnlyFans, like all of them? The server, hello, hello. Let's make a startup that registers the username in every possible service. I think that already exists. Or I'm pretty sure I've seen something similar to that before. Why did I do this? Maybe because it defaults to 000? Because I didn't bother with this one. Weird. Unclear. Unclear. Okay, we need to not need that. We need to adjust you. We need to adjust you. Aren't you excited for Kalshi X CSCNN? Fucking kill me. Kill me. Time to sign up to bet on the Super Bowl ad companies. They're all up on YouTube already, from what I can tell. The server says, just bought my first domain. Nice. Nice. I did the opposite thing, which was I canceled my renewal for my first domain. I've owned domains for 2 decades at this point, and this is the first one that I've canceled. Which is maybe not the best. What did I call the thing? Version, I guess. So, we need to find something in this page that will help me get this link here. There was a select drop down in the first one, but is there maybe something more obvious? Like, I wonder if these links have obvious things on them. Not really. Well, maybe it's the first link that starts with this. Fucking A. Copy. Blah. Sure. I wanted to copy the URL, but that'll probably work. If tag is equal to A and enters the dot get href empty string that starts with this. Don't give a fuck, this line's too long. I guess, yeah. And, well, I guess we could start with tilted version is none. If all of those true, let's break a point. No, we don't even need to do that. I'm cocky. Self.version equals adders the href. Oh, god fucking damn it. It's gonna be nullable. Gotta do this shit. Because obviously this is type checked, right? href dot rs or dot sprimmer. What am I doing? href dot r split slash fucking A, god damn it. 1. Why am I sucking at keyboard alcohol? Yeah, that's probably it, right? No, why? Why, you know? Why do we never get to here? Oh, is this shit Ajaxed in? Am I fucking dumb? Oh, it was right there. What the fuck? Oh, I forgot to do this. I forgot the most important part of this script. This thing is still not done? What the fuck is it doing? Blah. Does Launchpad not have an API? No, I don't know. They probably do, but... Boza says, what was the TLD for the first domain that you canceled? Orgnet or something fancy? It was just a com domain. Just a com domain. Yeah. Yeah, this is a domain for an idea that I don't think I'm ever gonna do. Bum. Okay, I think this should work now. Oh, I'm not. I haven't caught up on chat yet. One Mer says, hi, do you use AI? Do you see AI? Think intelligence. Yeah. I found an API, but it seems dense. No, I kept my domain names. This was like, that one still loads, by the way. I'm just not gonna bother with the API because this is good enough. If it works. If it works, it works. Plus. Oh my god. Hooray! Look at that. It's so fancy. Okay. That should mostly work. Oh, we need to make a new repository. Oh, I didn't think about this part. This is a private repo. Will GitHub Actions clone private repos in submodules? I don't think it will. So maybe I just write this directly into my Terraform. Ship it being gone is so sad. S1Q, we should fix that today. That is a good idea. We should fix ship it today. Because you're right. It is fucking sad that it is gone. It is 7 or 8 sads that it is gone. I'm not gonna prove this PR, but it is currently broken. Oh, it works. I'm not in the right feature bucket on this one. But in GitHub, they're rolling out a rewrite of this dialogue here, and this no longer works. So we gotta fix it at some point. But It shouldn't be too bad to fix. It shouldn't be too bad to fix. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna put this directly to my Terraform. Which is not exactly what I wanted to do, but yeah. But now I need all this other fucking shit in here, don't I? No. This is probably fine. Probably fine. Pre-commit config is failing. Check what? Really? Oh, yeah, sure enough. Sure enough. We don't have tests or requirements files, so I can get rid of those. Yeah, ship it is that when I click ship it, it automatically selects one of these GIFs and puts it in the comment box. Not these ones down here, but from the ship it's at the top. Not any of these, despite me accidentally posting this one on the bottom left one, this one, on someone's PR. That's when I fixed it. Yeah. Yep. Wait, why did it rewrite this line? I didn't tell you could rewrite this line. Like I literally said, maybe I forgot to do this line. Okay. Is happy now. It's kind of annoying that I can't have a private submodule. But it's fine. Dead snakes notifier. Oh. Do I have an email filter for that? Is that how this works? Should I just leave it the same? Let's see. Settings, y'all settings. Wow, I have a Django error filter. That's funny. Yeah, I already have a filter for this, so I'm just gonna leave this the same. Yeah. I'm just gonna leave this the same. Even though it's not quite the same. But I wonder if AWS supports plus label for the emails. I mean, the from email doesn't really change anything at all, I think. Unless, did I hook up SES with that? Yeah. So I can literally use anything here, I think, due to the way this is set up. Even though that domain doesn't exist and doesn't receive emails. So if AWS supports this feature, oh, 100%. This is just a string. They certainly support it. Like I didn't do anything. This email doesn't exist. This is a fake email address. You send emails here, they will not go anywhere. Because I don't think I didn't set up SES receiving. I only set up SES sending. So yeah. And plus for sending works, but like I didn't really do this for a particular reason. I mean, we could probably change this one because this is not what my filter is based on. My filter is based on the sender. Yeah. Do this. Star it. Never send it to spam. Mark it as important. Well, I have a bunch of blocked email addresses. Who the fuck are these people? Oh, these are probably things that I just marked as spam. Yeah. Weird. Some of these are kind of funny. Like I've blocked DocuSign. That seems kind of important. Maybe I shouldn't have blocked DocuSign. But I blocked 2 things from DocuSign. I don't think these are a good idea. Whatever. I'm currently experiencing the displeasures of having a catch-all email redirect. The Zendex breach exposed my Discord email, and that's based on my domain, so now I keep getting spam. Oh no. Oh no. What email system does the University of Michigan use? Gmail for life, baby. I have G Suite for forever. What does this tell me? Did it succeed or not? I don't even. Please. Bless up. It succeeded. It didn't have me sign them though. I gotta remember how to do the signing bullshit. Because I don't think these builds are signed, and I need to send them signed builds. Remember Google Plus? I do. I do remember Google Plus. I remember the early days of Gmail. I do too. The invites were crazy. I also found an XSS vulnerability in Gmail when I was 14. Literally 20 years ago. Oh, fuck. God damn it. So old. Can't believe you're 44 and that's not how that math works. Excuse me. Excuse me. 54. Yeah. Up by 10 in the other direction. Yeah, we'll do this later. Maybe we'll do it from the console because I don't have... Yeah, that's not happening. What did that get copied from? Unclear. And surely this is fine. Yeah. Yep. Ooh, I logged in my password manager. Nice. Obviously 64. Yeah. Imagine us after 30 more years and Anthony still streams. I mean, I'll probably stream until I die or until the platform dies. Or until I die. Terraform username, and then Terraform password. Oh, it's green. I'm gonna have to log in anyway so that it will do the thing. What is all the missing? Why am I? Why? What the fuck? Oh my god, I'll have to look at all these messages later. Terraform, Terraform. Yup. Could it be 104? Man. 6 to create. Warning, Arugament is deprecated. Well, I don't give a shit. As long as it works. Looks good to me. Merge, merge. And then we get to, wow, a year ago. What was the update here? To change. Oh, OIDC. That's fine. How do I? This button. My body shakes when it's fed healthy food. Probably a sign it's not good for me. I don't know that that's how that works. Wait, why was the plan from 2 months ago, but the run was from a year ago? Sussy? You eventually have to apply this one. Should I just cancel everything up until there? Well, I already clicked apply on that last one, so we gotta wait for this one. Unfortunately. Oh, apply finished. Nice. So now what's the next one? Oh my god. Updog 101. We got 19 of these to sit through? Jesus Christ. Well, hold on to your butts. Oh, we can test this shit while it's running though. Docker run rmti ubuntu focal volume mount dist ro bash. Python 2.7. Why 19? Because it was running 101, now it's running 102, and 119 is the last updog here. So delta is 19. I want to know the difference between besides $PWD and not CWD. I don't know the answer. Present working directory versus current working directory. I don't know. I got nothing. Why do I have so many queued? Because I've just never clicked apply in like a year. Because I haven't changed any actual code in a year. These are all just updogs and drift. Wait, what is this version? Oh no, this makes sense. This makes sense. This makes sense. I should install this too. So these are the old versions, and we are updating over top of it. dpackage-l grep python 2.7 awk print $1 but with the correct $2 with the correct syntax, and then this, and then xargs replace dpackage-L this to this dot files. Okay, so that is those. 2.7 gets security updates. On Jammy it does, but not on Focal. So I'm being paid to backport Jammy to Focal, basically. Which is a fun one. All right, so I need to install these in the correct order. I think, if I remember correctly. I think I need, oh, no, I know the order because I've done this before. Runbooks, quick test. So we need to install lib version minimal. Why did I do this? Less than 312. This isn't right anymore. Does this not get used anymore? Oh, no, I probably just didn't do the, package fuckery on those ones. It probably makes sense. Yeah. Okay, do you succeed? Breaks existing package. Yeah. That's fine. Is there an option for that? There is, but I don't know how to do it. Can I just do all of them at the same time? So next would be libpython standard lib, and then libpython this, and then Python minimal, and then Python this. Local one this .dev, and then what packages did it install here? Oh, I didn't do my file list thing again. It's fine. Why does installing Python 2 pull in Python 3.8? What? Doesn't make any sense. What? None of these are Python. Oh, because that's not the install command I'm looking for. These are not the droids you are looking for. So there's the package list here. So it's probably libdev and then this dev. Plus. Fuck. I think I'm just gonna uninstall. I think this will uninstall all of them. Why did I just sudo? What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, it only runs one at a time. Fuck. Dependency is not satisfiable. Okay. Had a feeling we were going to run into this. I had a feeling. Okay, so I gotta fix that at least. Silly Larry says, I think you hit the go live button and start yapping while programming. That's basically what I do, yeah. Also, good to see you again, Silly Larry. It's been a really long time. I hope you're doing well. Okay, well, the package is fucked for reasons. I'm surprised it built though. What the fuck? Why did it build then? Why did it build with this obviously wrong dependency? Oh, it means I have to sit through the fucking build again. No. I don't want to sit through the fucking build again. Oh, god damn it. Okay, well. Ugh. This is why they're paying me. I don't think that patch is a problem. Maybe it is. OpenSL3 less than OpenSL less than 3 adds a trailing new line to IPv6. 3 remove the trailing new line, keep it. If it's length 4, it's length 16. This is where they add the new line back, I guess. So I think this patch is actually fine to keep, but sort of useless. So that one is fine. Oh god, there's so many of these. Okay, so we already looked at that one. So this still preserves the old behavior. SSL data 111. Blah, blah, blah. Fuck, this is a long patch. That was not the end of the file. Jesus Christ. What version of OpenSL does Focal ship with? I don't think it's installed by default, right? That's libss. Anthony, can we put your face on a box for science? What does that mean? What do you mean? What sort of box are we? What? That's weird. 111. Ooh. Says for 111K. I think I can just drop all of the OpenSSL patches because we don't have OpenSSL 3. I think I'll just do that. I think that probably makes the most sense. All right, so PQ import. How have I been? I've been better. I've been better. Hold on. Do. Nice. Cool. I've been watching the Olympics. I have not. I used to be really into the ski racing Olympics, but that was mostly when I raced myself, and I haven't done that in a long time. Okay, so I think I can just get rid of all of these SSL3 changes. Open SSL3, open SSL3, open SSL3. Some of these other ones are as well, but I will get them. By doing it this way. Wow, there's a patch attributed to Lukash. Fun. Cool. Oops. So, this is the problem. Should be libsl 1. libsl 1.1. And you know what? I'm just gonna edit these manually. Oops. Yeah. Fucking hate this build takes forever. How do I make the build not take so long? It's gonna take like fucking hours. No. Hockey's fun? Yeah, hockey's fun. That's true. Buy a monster server and it won't take hours. The problem is it's running Python's tests, which take hours even on a crazy server. I mean, my machine's pretty nuts. Bosa says, Anthon, when you build the stuff, do they go and run tests against the built packages? Presumably, yeah. But I don't know. They can probably just assume it works for the most part. Okay, so I think I'm gonna figure out how this script works. And just temporarily patch it so that it only runs one test. Like test Unicode or something. Maybe test bytes, test Unicode. Fucking what is the goddamn thing? Why did I not get Python 2.7 when I installed the test suite? What? What? You can install the test suite without 2.7? Weird. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna put test Unicode and test bytes in there probably. And that'll make this not take so long. I could probably also get the PGO, the fast PGO list, and then do it that way, but fuck it. That'll be pretty good. Okay, has Terraform caught up yet? Oh my god, it's caught up yet. Cost estimated? Bro, what? That's new. Ignore the warning. Cost estimation. No estimated resources found. What a fucking useless ass feature. Don't even show me this then, piece of shit. Regular test sounds like regret test. Yeah, it's pretty true. It's pretty true. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it, baby. What? Did one of the patches not apply? Like, excuse me? What the fuck? Oh, right. Right. They have this, like, in file. And I just gotta comment all these out, maybe? Sometimes it feels good that I'm probably one of like 5 people on the planet that could actually do this shit. I hate that for me though. I kind of hate that for me. Wilfred! Yo, 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 how's it going? How you doing? We're building Python 2.7. Cursed words. Yeah, this is witchcraft. Yeah. I feel like a lot of what I do is witchcraft. Did this finish? Run confirmed. What does that mean? Did it run? Plan finished. Apply finished. Yay. Okay. Sick. What was F in the rebase? Wait, what? What do you mean? Oh, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. F is fix up, which is what does it even do? Oh, it squashes the 2 commits and it keeps the original, or it keeps the topmost commit message. It's just it's so second nature that I don't even think about it. I don't even think about it. Wolfert says I'm building my appetite because my Patriots play today. Oh, I actually don't give a shit who wins. But I'm gonna go to the football party. Yeah. Also, Wolfred. Well, first, hold up. We gotta thank Polymathic Man. God damn, it's been a while. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for the resub at 66 months. Holy shit, good to see you again. I appreciate your continued support. I hope you're doing well. Yeah. Wilfred, I ran a sub 25K today. And I didn't even plan to run a race today until 48 hours ago, where someone was like, Yo, we have an extra bib for the race, and we need someone fast. And I was like, you might be talking to the wrong person, but because of my placement, my team beat the other team in Ann Arbor. So, yeah, get wrecked, nerds. Although we lost to Northville because they had 4 times as many people as we did, and more fast people. Polymathic Man says, I'm doing well, we just haven't meshed on schedules. Well, I just haven't streamed this year, so that's probably mostly on me and less on you. No, fuck, why is it still running all these other tests? I guess only running 30 tests is fine. But why is it running... What did it actually run? Where is the command? Regular test this -x these. Oh my god. Is this command just wrong? Oh, this command is just wrong. Oh, that's so funny. Wait, that's so funny. Oh, wait. Nope, I fucked it up. Really? I fucked it up. It's whatever. It's gonna be fast enough. And a bunch of them are gonna fail, and that's okay. But at least it won't take like fucking 2 hours like it was taking before. Wilfred says, congratulations, I'm proud of you. Are you okay? How are you feeling? I'm feeling fine. I actually need to run more miles so that I can get to 40 this week, because I'm sitting at 38 out of 40, which is really unsatisfying. But yeah, look at my fucking spreadsheet, by the way, guys. guys, gender neutral guys. I'm currently on track to get over 1,700 miles this year. If I make a really aggressive goal, I'm not actually that far behind 2,000 mile per year goal. But my friend said I should aim for 1,500, and so I'm 40 miles ahead of that, so it's pretty good. Wolford says, how are you feeling? Cough, cough. Not great. I'm keeping it together, but yeah, it's been better. Buzzer says, I also started preparing for real running, already doing HIT for better heart endurance. I don't know what HIT is. GM Cord says, GNOME looks so sick, man. It's just the default setup for the most part. And my text editor that looks fancy, but it's really just the VS Code theme. I did customize the background, but it's the Ubuntu 10.04 background. Boza says, you're not eating too much crap in order to support that amount of running. I mean, I am eating a lot more. And that's kind of like my copium is like, oh, I run enough so I can eat whatever the fuck I want. But yeah. Anyway, this is my spreadsheet. I fucking love spreadsheets. They're pretty cool. Look at my fucking conditional formatting. Also, if I put in like a marathon training plan into this column, it's like, say I was supposed to run 10 miles that day, or 5 this, and I don't know, 3 here. Like the yellow days will be days that I missed. Oh no, what have I done? Yeah, the yellow days are days that I missed. Like light green is days that I met, and dark green is days that I exceeded. It's pretty fancy. And then this is my like notes column where I can see like how many days I went climbing and when I ran races. Like this 5K that I ran, admittedly, okay, so the reason this 5K was so slow is it was on a track that had 3 inches of snow. So yeah. Also, I've been running every day this year. I've been running every day since can you see that? Well, you can't see the rest of them, but since December 16th, I've run every single day, at least 2 miles. Although I think this year it's at least 3 miles. That might not be true. Maybe a 2 mile day in there. No. At least 3 miles a day, every day this year. Yeah. Yeah, you're also 40 miles ahead, which means you can stop running for a week. Yeah, that's true. If I aim for 1,500. But I think I'm gonna stretch goal and go for 2,000, which makes me 12 miles behind. But next week it's supposed to be warm, and by warm I mean not less than 10 degrees Fahrenheit every day. So I think I'm gonna make up some miles next week. But yeah. Yeah, look at my fucking spreadsheet, baby. Wilfred says, another news, I started cooking all my meals, so no more DoorDash. Yo, that's huge. Hell yeah, dude. That's awesome. Dude, DoorDash is like such a big like calorie sink and like dollar bills sink. But yeah. I wish I had this for my consistency. The only thing I'm consistent in is coding at this point. I need to get my shit together. I mean, we all sort of in various ways. Bozo says, I bet your Excel skills are better than your running capabilities. I mean, I think there are better people that are better at running than I am. And I'm pretty good at Excel. I think there's some things that I could get better at. Like, I had this task the other day that took me a really long time, which is like, I had a CSV dump and I wanted to delete every row that didn't match a particular thing in a column. And I couldn't find like a good answer online. I think eventually what I did is like a temporary filter and then deleted the rows and then undid the filter and then deleted the empty rows. And like it kind of worked, but it was like, ugh. Do I have a nice track for running? No. Well, there's like a local high school that I can run at, but I've only been there once. I usually run just on the street or on a treadmill when it's really cold. Well, it says $5,000 a month in DoorDash to 400 in groceries. That's a huge win. Grinder says I cleaned my office today. Damn, that's awesome. I need to I need to process my mail that I haven't looked at in a month. That's my equivalent of cleaning my office that I just haven't done. Detail says even paying a site directly for delivery incurs a 10% price increase on top of the delivery fee. What? That's unfortunate. TV Josh says I like doing squats while watching shows or movies. Yeah, I have like an exercise bike in front of a TV, but I don't have streaming services or television, so it's usually either to play video games or watch YouTube. But yeah. Wilfred says I haven't been to my mailbox in a month. Yeah. I at least went to my mailbox today, but that doesn't mean I processed the mail. I don't think there's anything actually useful in there, so it's kind of fine, but like, meh. Particularly Pythonic says I never got actually good at Excel because whenever it gets involved, I just use a programming language. Yeah, usually programming languages are better at it anyway, but sometimes you can get like, I don't know, there's some amount of like incremental adding stuff to a spreadsheet that's just like it's so much more work to replicate in a wait, why is it running all the tests again? Motherfucker, who let you do this? Son of a bitch. Why did I not run my command here? That's annoying. Well, this is gonna take hella forever again. Why? Why are you the way that you are? Debian rules rigor. What the fuck? I don't know, man. There's a bug in the build script. I'm not gonna fix it. Who allowed you to do this? Yeah. No, this is not my fault this time. This is someone else's fault. Contracting someone who uses 2.7, what a shit show. Money is money. I mean, it's literally like I'm gonna spend an hour getting this build working, and then I'm just gonna bump the version number, and then like I don't really have to do much work beyond that. But yeah. Can't you send one of the fancy process signals and make the test gone? You know, actually, I could probably send sig int if this is or trued which it isn't. Well, what the fuck? How does this possibly pass then? Because I know some of these tests will fail. Yeah. /2 means some of the tests have failed. So I probably could kill this particular one. PSEF grab rendered test. Yeah, what could go wrong, right? Kill dash int this. Yeah, man. Now it's running it again. Is that the same PID? No, it's different PID. Kill dash int this. Die. Why are you running it again? What the fuck? Stop it! Fuck you, term. Oh no. Now we got a leaked test. Why are there more of them? Why are they multiplying? Oh, this is the SH process. This one we should kill first, and then... Did you see the curses blink there? Oh, okay. I killed it enough times, maybe. Except I think I killed the shell process, so now everything is fucked. No, it's running a benchmark now. Okay, maybe it's fine. Maybe it's fine. Side note, since I buy groceries, I must admit the nacho Lunchable is a fucking 10 and 10, and I forgot how good it was. Man, my Lunchable of choice was the personal pizzas. And God, the fucking bread on those tastes like cardboard. But yeah, I think what happens is it ran the test 5 times, and I just got impatient. Help? Yeah, I don't remember what it stands for, but it gives me this nice output. The cardboard in those tastes like cardboard is true. The pizza one is so bad, I have no idea why I ate those as kids. So the thing about the pizza one that's good is the sauce. The red sauce, the pizza sauce was good. And I think that was the only thing that was good. Okay, so it's running something else now, presumably. So maybe it's fine. Yeah. It's also amazing. Yeah, that's the only thing that's good in them. Like the cheese was shit and the bread was shit. I mean, bad cheese is still pretty good, but like that one was particularly bad. Okay, I need to use the restroom. I will be right back. I will see you in a sec. Hello, a Bic. He drinks damn near a gallon of water a day. Actually, I struggle with hydration most of the time. On stream, though, it's like a nice little nervous tick, so I actually stay hydrated. It's kind of amazing. Didel says, have 10 out, get some Super Bowl snacks. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Good to see you as always. We back though. Did it work? All right, reset. That is a long time in the past. I think I fucked it. No. No. Fuck. Yeah, this is 2:10? No, 3:10. Wait, that's in the future. Oh, my clock is wrong. Yay, it worked. Oh, shit. Like, why is this so wrong? Oh, bless. Wait. That's still wrong. Oh, I did this one. I want to do this one. There we go. Well then. Alright. Docker this. Whew. That was a weird one. We're gonna do the same shit we did last time. apt install Python 2.7 dev. Yes, sure. Install the world. That's hilarious, right? Like, why is it wrong? The package L grep Python 2 print $2 cut this if 1 replace the package dash L this to this dot list. That was weird. That's not what I expected. Oh, we don't have nano. Okay, that looks fine. Cool. I was like, clock is okay, timestamps are okay. Yeah, I was looking at my Windows clock and I was like, that's not right. That's not right at all. Whoa, I don't want to install an entire X system. That's a little bit better. Okay, so we need libpython 2.7 minimal first. And then we need libpython 2.7. And then we need... Oh, apparently we need standard lib next. And then we need libpython 2.7. And then we need Python 2.7 minimal. Oh, no. And then we need Python 2.7 deb. And then we need libpython dev. This is good so far. And then we need Python dev. And then this thing. All that's different is the changelogs. And they just moved. That's weird. Oh, it just got resorted here? Oh, it just got resorted here too. Oh, hell yeah. Okay. That's great sign. That starts. What does my normal quick test do? This is the thing. Not found. Yeah, the MOTD is still the same. Yeah, what the fuck? This is what that's the URL I was using. Oh, /pip/2.7. Hi there. You may be wondering what this giant blob of binary data here is. Okay. Seems to work. Seems to work. Then we gotta do the virtual M2. This is gonna be the same thing. Virtual m.pyz. Looks like it's working to me. Sick. Seems good to me. Seems fucking good to me. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I don't think I'm other tagging. I don't need the tag. Dude, fuck yeah. That's way easier than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, so now that this is done, we need to actually get this applying. So it means I need to log into AWS. Probably. And that's the last step. Copy username. Copy the password. There's an error. An AWS account with that username does not exist? Oh. It's tripping. As soon as I clicked yes again, it was like, oh, I got you. I got you, fam. Time for dead pips? No, they keep it around forever. This one. And now I need to do the lambda check. Well, I need to upload the lambda. Oh, that means I need to do IAM garbage. Oh, fucking A. Man. Can I upload using the web UI? Is that a thing you can do? Kegsit! You are streaming! Hello, Kegsit. It's crazy because I have raids disabled except for people I follow, so the chance of you being able to do that is so slim. But how you doing, Kegsit? How was your stream? What were you up to? Oh wow, I guess I can show you what I'm looking at. This is copied from Improvement CI. You can raid without streaming? What? Why? Can I just fucking upload a zip to this shit? Or do I have to do it through the UI? Or through the console? Upload from? Oh, we can actually do the zip file fine. I just don't want the fucking credential garbage. Okay, zip out.zip handler.py. Oh, I still have that mounted. That's fun. Upload from zip file. Yeah. Okay, cool. Seems like that worked. And I can run the test button. What did it do? Oh. To make a test event. I don't think it reads the JSON, so this is fine. Yeah, how do I say yes? What in the scroll bar hell is this? Now what? Did it do it? I don't think it did. Here we go. Whoa, this is like a funky, almost VS Code like thing. Yo? Yo? Did I get an email? Yo? Check it. Fuck yeah, let's go. And if I run it again, well, first if I refresh, you should see functions code has been updated and deployed in another editor. Discard, accept. Yeah, that's why, I mean, it literally refreshed. Like, what the fuck? And so this little JSON file, yeah. Okay. If we test it again. Already up to date. Fuck yeah. This shit works. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Dude, I haven't, this is all new to me. This is completely new to me. I will never read KMS's key management service, right? Right? Musa says I tried, but I got this message. Anthony's code's rate settings don't allow you to rate at this time. Yeah, it's probably because I don't follow you as a streamer. Like, I think I've set it to only people that I follow. Is this VS Code in AWS? It kind of looks like it, right? Like, all the buttons look the same. It's probably VS Codium or whatever. There's also like an open in VS Code button. But yeah, man, we got all this shit I want to get done today. So that's pretty cool. Probably Code Mirror, Monaco. Yeah, probably. But yeah, I'm ready to get paid now. Sick. Fuck yeah. All right. This is a successful stream. W money. I mean, it's not even that much money. It's like not even that much money, but now it's automatic. So it's, yeah, it's easy money. There we go. This is the real answer. Who says this? I'm not a streamer, but I have 32 followers. Wait, what? Why do you have 32? What? Fine, I'll be your 33rd follower if I can figure out how to open this. Followed. Now it is possible for you to raid me. Have I made a mistake? Maybe. All right, anyway, that's gonna wrap us up for today. You streamed a week ago? Fuck, do I gotta follow you now too, Wilfred? What were you doing? Alright, you're followed now. And yeah. What did you stream? It doesn't say. You have sound alerts on too? Goddamn! Alright, well, we'll see. We'll find out. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Go subscribe there and watch my videos, I guess. I don't know. If you missed any part of the stream, those will end up on the second channel at anthonywritescode-vods. Where, if you missed last week's stream, it's a really good one. Where it was basically Pablo and I shit talk for 3 fucking hours. And this is probably one of the most fun streams I've had in a while. So if you didn't catch that one, it's definitely worth checking out. So go check that out. I had a lot of fun on it too. So I hope you'll enjoy it as well. You missed it, Wilfred. It's such a good stream. Just watch it. It's really good. Also, the content of it is amazing. Like the new sampling profiler, like it sounds like I'm just glazing Pablo, but it's fucking great. It's gonna be a game changer. But yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Thank you all for stopping by. Thank you for hanging out. Sorry I haven't streamed that much, and hopefully I'll get better, but we'll see. Anyway, let's grab us up for today. Have a good one, chat. Peace.